Put your name and date at the top of your page. I will let you put the date. I'm just going to do the notes. 2.6 is our lesson today, dividing real numbers. And our essential question, how do you divide real numbers on the calculator? And this lesson again has lots of vocabulary. So here we go. We're going to get started. A lot of times, what several people will do is call a multiplicative inverse or a reciprocal the flip-flop of a number. But there are actual definitions. You take a number and its multiplicative inverse, or you take, for instance, two reciprocals and multiply them together, their product is 1. So that you get this, to divide a number A by a non-zero number B, multiply A by the multiplicative inverse of B. Those are your variables. Those are your unknowns. Sign of a quotient. two real numbers with the same sign, the quotient is positive. If you have two real numbers with different signs, the quotient is negative. So same sign is positive, different sign is negative. Very similar to multiplication. Then you also have the quotient of 0 and any non-zero number. I should say real number is 0. Now I would caution you, and I would add over here as a side note, we can not divide by, cannot divide by 0. That is undefined. We cannot do that. So I have some examples. Example 1. Negative 16 divided by 4. Which of course you can put straight into the calculator and come up with your answer. If we use the division rule, it becomes negative 16 times 1/4. That is the reciprocal of 4. That is the multiplicative inverse of 4. Okay? Either way, you should still come up with the answer, negative 4. We could do negative 20 divided by negative 5/3. If we do this on paper, we're going to write negative 20 times negative 3/5. Either problem will give you the same answer. And if I go to my calculator, move this over a little bit, I'm going to put this first line in. Negative 20 divided by, and then I'm going to put my fraction in parentheses, negative 5 divided by 3, and I get 12. Now to prove that this is the same problem, negative 20 times negative 3 divided by 5, I also get 12 for that one. So both ways work. But with the calculator, you can actually put this problem in and you don't have to worry about this. And that was example 2. So now on to example 3. Example 3 is going to be a little bit different. It is a compound fraction because you have 36x minus 24 all over 6. But when I see this, I think about, okay, this could have been two fractions with the same denominator. And when we have two fractions with the same denominator, we add the numerators, we combine the numerators together and put it over one denominator, that one common denominator. So I can rewrite this as 36x over 6 minus 24 over 6. And I can work it like I do fractions. 36 divided by 6 is 6, and I bring down the x with it. A negative divided by a positive is negative. 24 divided by 6 is 4. and I have simplified that fraction. Your assignment today summarize your notes. Set up 3 to 4 pages with the Cornell format. And 3, you're going to have a worksheet over 2.6.